quickly, the things you don't want to put in the compost. Now, again, if you're in the country and you got a pile in the back 40 and whatever, and you throw whatever, and you don't care if coyotes or raccoons or possums dig in it because it's not close to your residence, that's different. However, this is for the places where your compost bin is close to your house or other residents. Things you don't want to add: meat, bones, oil, discarded plants, simply because disease plants, because harboring those diseases, keeping it warm enough, you can reintroduce those problems into your garden. So you want to keep that in mind as well. You don't want to put eggs or whole eggs. Egg shells are good. Banana peels are good, but you don't want to put the egg itself in there because there are animals that will feast on that.
Right. Yeah, so you want to, if you do have larger pieces of material, it wouldn't hurt to chop them up, or if it's like twigs or something, just kind of snap them up a little bit.
Even if you don't, it's just going to take longer to break down.
Basically.
I don't have time to just throw it in the pile. It's going to heat up if done correctly, and you can move forward with that.